making chicken treats for our chickens, and we are going to hang them up in their little coops. And they look like this. They look so yummy. No, do not eat it. It would scrape your mouth to pieces.
Yeah, don't.
Yeah.
Because it's a pine cone underneath there, and it's covered in peanut butter and seeds. Which we bought the seeds from the store, and it has various seeds in it.
As you guys can see.
Yeah, I don't know if they can see that or not, but it's a 10-pound bag of bird food. But it has sunflower seeds, little almonds, peanuts, and some other type of grains in there that's really good for the chickens. Use those mussels.
Okay, so this is what it is. If you want to get this stuff, it's good for like almost any birds in your local vicinity. If you like bird watching, this would be like a great treat to go hang up on a tree and then use your binoculars to see all the birds.
Right, because if you don't have chickens, you can still make it and just hang it out in your yard and let the wild birds eat it. They'll love it.
Yeah, they will. They will eat it up because this is like, they think as this of free food. This is free food because most birds have to look on trees to get their food. But it's just dangling down and it's covered in yumminess.
Yep. So I poured this into this bowl right here. So when we cover the pine cone with the peanut butter, then we'll be able to roll it in there, just like this one. So, all right, let's get started making these.
Okay.
So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna tie the string on the pine cone. And it's a little bit prickly, so be careful.
Yeah, if you get cut off.
And warning, be careful because it might cut.
Just a simple tie.
Yeah,
and
if you get cut.
See?
And if you get cut by it, you should probably put on a Band-Aid because that could get infected while you're messing with the pine cone.
Yeah, it might. So be careful because they are prickly. But then you just want to take the peanut butter and just rub it on the pine cones.
Okay, so that's my pine cone.
Whoops. That was a very nice pine cone.
Also, we got some gumdrops. If you don't know what that is, it's this little ball thing.
It's called a gum ball.
A gum ball. Why did I call it a gumdrop?
It's almost the same.
I
Here, let
know.
me see that one.
Good.
So, I can't really tell you the amount of string that we're using on these because I'm not 100% sure.
Probably like 1 or 2 inches.
No, it's more than 1 to 2 inches. But we're gonna hang these up in the chicken's coops. So I don't know if we're gonna have to adjust the length. We might have to add more string on there depending on where we're gonna be hanging it at. So, but for right now, you can just tie it on there.
Also, remember if you have like a coop with like multiple roosters, we don't have a coop with multiple roosters, but they can usually fight over things like this because they're so delicious.
Yeah, they all love it. See, let me see your pine cone. Yeah.
You do the strength and I like that.
Yeah, because the knot is a little tricky.
Yeah. Well, okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's scoop it up like this.
Yep, and just spread it all over.
All over, and then just roll it.
Well, see, I accidentally made that end a little too long, so I'm just gonna snip it off.
Just snip it off and use it for later.
What? You can't use that. See, little string. We'll just set that aside. Here you go, Zeke.
Oh yeah.
And if you want to hand me the bag, I'll start putting the string on all those. And then you guys can start putting the peanut butter and the seeds on there.
Yeah, and now I have enough room to do it now.
Hi guys, me and my little brother and my mom are going to be hanging these up outside. There's 20 of them. We counted them a couple minutes ago and it was mayhem. So, I was hoping for a bigger one, like that. There's 2 of them. Okay.
Yeah, so we're gonna go out and hang these up. We made them last night and we just let them sit over the night, and now we're gonna go hang them up in the coops.
It's kind of smells like Reese's Pieces.
They do smell like Reese's Pieces.
Chickens are gonna enjoy those. All right, let's go.
The rain lately, and then the snow,
Alright.
and the snow melting.
Gonna tie it on the chicken wire.
Alright then, can I start leaving?
Now we're gonna put a couple in there.
The chicken's looking at it like, what is that?
Maybe the chicken's more worried about you. Why in the world is there a boy in the coop? Is that a new type of chicken? So I'm not sure how many we should hang up in there. Oh my gosh.
Maybe 3 or 4. If y'all got 16, you can do 4 in each.
Abram said that there was 20.
Oh yeah?
Cold.
So you can hang up 4 or 5.
Okay, go ahead and you go in.
You should, yeah, give him all those.
The chicken's
He can
looking
hold
at
them, and he can pass you the string on one without dropping them. And you can tie it when he passes you the string through there. No.
There you go. Here's the other one. Drop one. Let me drop one.
Good.
Yeah.
Wait,
That's
they're all
okay.
tied together?
Make it extra tasty.
They're all tied together.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are. Oh. Okay,
You might want to like set it on your lap.
yeah, let's do that. This is hard. It's freezing cold, and also if I fell in this, I might have to take like 5 showers.
Yeah, I can play scoop with that.
It would stink more than a skunk. You would hang one like inside there so they can get it without getting like all wet.
I don't really know where to hang it at. In there.
Do they really?
And just to tie these, I'm just kind of doing a simple knot. I'm not really doing anything fancy. So hopefully it doesn't fall off.
Good job, Abram.
There's speckles. He seems to be like a little confused.
It just keeps getting, I don't know, we got to work on some drainage system. Had a lot of rain this year, but it didn't and ever used to fill up and stay flooded.
Alright, so we're in Speckles' pen over here, and we're gonna hang these. He doesn't really have anything that can hang them from the top, so I'm just gonna hang them from the fence.
Mama, that's going to attract raccoons.
That's okay. I actually was thinking about this, but we actually use baby monitors to hear any squawking, because the chickens will squawk if there's anything out, so we're ready for them.
Well, if you had some longer string, you could hang it from those things, but don't worry about that right now. We'll do that later.
Okay. Here, you want me to hang some? The other side?
Yeah.
All right, talk to me. Talk to the interwebs.
Well, guys, it's cold.
Abram was bad, so we locked them in the fence.
No,
Well, we
literally.
got these ones hung up, so. Hey, if you can see, one of the pine cones fell off the string, but the chickens are enjoying it. Look at that. They're like, that is so good.
Hey, that's
Let's zoom in, get a closer look.
Yum, yum. 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 I love this pine cone. I want more. These ones are probably will eat all the pine cones before the other ones come to the party.
Yeah, so we might have some really big chickens tomorrow.
We're just,
Fattening them up for the winter.
We have some more pine cones, and we're just gonna kind of hang them around. In the other coop, we have some teenage chickens. We're cooped to put these in, and Little Roo stays out all the time. Him and his little gang. So we're just kind of hang them up in odd places, but where they can get them to.
yeah.
I think I would maybe hang up a couple out there, but save a few for tonight, so
Yeah.
they can have them in the morning or whatnot when they get up, and everybody else don't eat them while everybody's free and out.
Right. That's a good idea. Nice little treat.
Hopefully the chickens can do some parkour out of there.
Yeah, I think they will.
They'll jump onto that center block and go bye-bye.
So if you guys try this at home, be sure to comment below. I'd love to read it. And they're loving it.
I'm loving it.
Alright, well guys, thank you for watching this video. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Do it again. Bye.
Bye.